ahead of the first anniversary of Kartarpur Corridor inauguration, Pakistan has shocked the Sikh community by handing over the management of Kartarpur Sahib and other Sikh shrines to a Muslim body. All Sikh shrines will now be managed by Pakistan Ministry of Religious Affairs, which has no Sikh member. On 3rd November, the Pakistan Ministry officially took away the control of Kartarpur Sahib Gurdwara from Pakistan Sikh Gurdwara Prabandhak Committee. The Gurdwaras will now be managed by a Muslim body called Evacuee Trust Property Board, which also handles Hindu temples. The Shiromani Akali Dal has condemned Imran Khan government's move, terming the decision as anti-Sikh. They demand a reversal of the Pakistan government's decision.
पाकिस्तान ने बार-बार ऐसे हमले किए हैं, लेकिन ये हमला नाकाबिले है। किसी भी सूरत में हम इसको बर्दाश्त नहीं कर सकते। आज ही हम विदेश मंत्रालय को इसको विषय को टेकअप करने के लिए कहेंगे। श्रोमणी गुरुद्वारा प्रबंधक कमेटी भी ने स्ट्रॉन्गेस्ट पॉसिबल वर्ड्स में इसको कंडेम किया है, श्रोमणी अकाली दल ने भी, और हम ये यकीनी बनाएंगे कि इस ऑर्डर को वापस लिया जाए। सिखों के ऐतिहासिक स्थान, वो भी ऐतिहासिक गुरुद्वारे को छीनकर नॉन सिखों के हाथ में दे दिया जाए, ये किसी सूरत में देश और दुनिया के सिख बर्दाश्त नहीं कर सकते।
Kamaljeet is now joining us with the very latest. Kamaljeet, isn't this a betrayal coming in from the side of Pakistan, further exposing their bigotry?
Absolutely, Chaiti. See, there has been a pattern in Pakistan where there were forcible marriages, there have been abductions which have taken place, there have been conversions which have taken place, and now is the latest last straw. The Prabandhak Committee, especially of Kartarpur Sahib, that has now gone on to non-Sikhs for the first time. There is a CEO and there are 9 employees, including a driver. They're all expected to join almost immediately. The fact remains that this is going to be seen as a sort of an attack on the Sikh community, because remember, instead of having Sikh body or at least a Sikh representative in this, there's not even a single one in that which represents the community. So this is not going to go down well, but it points towards an increasing role of the ISI in the management of the Gurdwara Prabandhak Committee in Pakistan. And Kartarpur Sahib corridor may have been thrown open to the Indians, but the ploy by Pakistan and the ISI seem to be back on track, and this time it's to get control over the management committee. And obviously they're also looking at getting monies from devotees, from the other aspects. This is in a bid to increase money and get money from devotees.
All right, continue to stay with us, Kamaljeet. We'll keep coming back to you for more on this story.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.